YouTubers, Shinny's in the house. Just a quick one this. Just thought I'd dig out my Renault and fire it up, because I've not fired it up this year because I've not been racing. And then I fired it up and it was running like a bag of crap. So I'm like, what's up with this? So I whipped the plugs out. It was running really rich. I had the air to fuel ratio gauge reading really rich. And then it's like missing, so I pulled the plugs and it was black. And then the coil pack went down, so I thought there was something up with the coil pack. So I put a second-hand coil pack on it, ordered another one, still the same. It's just the standard VAG coil pack. And then I thought it might have been something up with the Speeduino. So they have a MOSFET outputs for the coil packs. They was alright, but I swapped them anyway and I was running it on the other two because it's running a wasted spark. So I couldn't fathom it out, so I thought, right, I'll plug in Tuner Studio, and when I plugged it into Tuner Studio, on tick over, the map pressure, screensaver just come in, the map pressure was reading 100 and it should be way down to like around 40. So obviously it's going to be one of the boost pipes. So I checked everywhere and then I found this little pipe here which goes onto the pressure regulator. Looked like it was a little hole in it, so I had a look at it and I don't know if you can see that it was being chewed by a mouse. So all that had caused all my issues. So I replaced that, but also I've seen, I don't know if you can see, it's chewed through my flipping fuel pipe there. Look at that there. Little rodents, innit? So I'll have to sort that out as well. But yeah, put it back together. It runs sweet now, so I'll just fire it up anyway. So it starts first time now. It's a right flipping pain it was to start. It's all choking up and everything. Ticks over dead nice now. And the air to fuel ratio is all good as well. So yeah, just shows you, doesn't it? If you leave your cars for a while, little rodents will get in and wreck everything. Just difficult one to find, you know what I mean? Had me well stumped, so it's running alright now anyway. And then just connect this a minute. I've just got it connected on Bluetooth, so it's nice and easy on remote connection. So yeah, look, we're all good there. So we go to the VE table. See, it's all down here, but it was all up here. So obviously it's going to be dead rich, isn't it? So yeah, we're all back to normal again. So yeah, it's running sweet now. Happy days, mate. So yeah, I'm not going to do any racing this year, but get it all ready for next year and start again, I think. So yeah, just a quick one, that. Bit of a random one, so yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.